Hello everyone, it's me Alex and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use cell line only mode on a Panasonic home phone. So before we get started, hi to anyone new here, my name is Alex Torres. Here I do helpful technology videos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it would help my channel grow. Thank you. So the things you'll need to do this is your Panasonic home phone with Bluetooth. All Panasonic home phones have this cell line only mode if they have Bluetooth, and your smartphone. So what you first want to do is make sure it has Bluetooth. So look at the base station and make sure it has cell. If it doesn't, or Bluetooth. If it doesn't, then cell line only mode and link to cell is not available on your base unit. So you might be thinking, okay, well, what is cell line only mode? So cell line only mode is intended for those who only want to use the Panasonic home phone as a Bluetooth handset, or as you just link your cell phone, and you're not going to even use the landline. So you can see right now it just says telephone line, and I can confirm that I do not have any telephone line connected to the back. I'm just using this as a Bluetooth phone, so I'm not going to be using to just confirm. I'm pushing speakerphone. There's no sound, so I'm just using this for Bluetooth. So to get rid of that message, and just right now if I was to call, you can push like a number, you can push cell, and it will just ring whatever Bluetooth is connected. But right now if I was to click talk or speakerphone, it's going to dial using the regular phone line. But let's just say you just have the cell phone, you just want to use Bluetooth. So step number one is to, you can set the date and time, it's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and set the date and time just so I can show you that this message will go away. So we want to go up to set date and time. Again, this is optional, this is not required. So 07/31/2024. It is 2:55 p.m. So you can see the time is set. So as you can see, there is the time. So now what's next is to pair your cell phone to the base station. So as you can see right now, I don't have anything set. So you want to go to menu, Bluetooth, link to cell, and you can pick Bluetooth 1 or 2. I'm just going to click on 1. As you can see, it says registering. As you can see, it's flashing. So now you want to go to your Bluetooth settings on your device, and then you want to go down to the lowest, and then you're going to see the Panasonic home phone. It either shows up as Panasonic Detect or KX. As you can see, after a few seconds or minutes, here is the Bluetooth pairing, KX-TG76. You want to click on that. And then it might ask you for a PIN, but the default PIN is 40. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can see the pair lights up, so you can click on pair. And then you can allow contacts, so you can click allow. Connected, then here, as you can see, it says Alex's iPhone. So now it's set and saved to the base station. So as you can see here, please select unit to receive call for cell phone. So if you have more than if you just want to have this ring on one hand, so let's just say one, it'll just ring on that one. But for me, it's going to be on all of them. So I'm going to click on all. So there we go. We're all set. So right now, as you can see, it says Bluetooth. But if I was to just say call 1 through 12, it's still trying to use the telephone line. So it's still trying to ring through that. So you can see. Or if I actually do want to call someone, I have to click on that and then cell, and then it'll just use my cell phone. But let's just say I don't even use the telephone line. It's just that. Like I just use for Bluetooth. So you go down to menu, Bluetooth, and you want to go down to settings. And then you want to click on cell line only mode. As you can see right now, default is off. So I'm going to click on. It's going to say, are you sure? And you could always turn this off again, so it doesn't change anything. And right now, the base station is going to flash too. So I'm going to click on yes. So it's going to reboot really quick. As you can see, now it rebooted. It's going to reconnect to our cell phone. And then this check telephone line message is going to go away. As you can see, it's gone. So now it does not require the telephone line. So it's just using for Bluetooth. As you can see right now, it's still trying to connect. There we go. As you can see now, we're connected. So as you can see, check telephone line's not there anymore. So let's just say if I was to call someone over here, now I don't need to push cell. If I was to call push speakerphone or talk, it just automatically uses your cell phone line now. So it's not going to just use the landline. For demonstration, I'm going to call up this phone. This one is connected to the phone line. So it's going to ring. I'm just going to show you, I'm going to dial it, and to show you that it now is just using our cell phone and nothing else. But to show you that it is available on cell line only mode on every handset that has Bluetooth. Now for this, I'm going to go down to Bluetooth, go down to settings. As you can see, there it is, cell line only mode. So it works with all the handsets that have Bluetooth. So I'm going to leave this handset here, and then I'm going to give it a quick call. So you can see, once you punch in the number, you usually have to click on cell to dial the phone number, but now you can click on talk or speakerphone. So I'm going to click on talk. As you can see, it shows that it's using the handset automatically. I did not click on cell. And you can see it's flashing that it's working. So I'm gonna push on talk. I'll put this on the microphone. Hello, 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 hello. So you can see it's working with the Bluetooth only. Sorry. So you can see it's working with Bluetooth. That's all I'm using. So as you can see now, it's just using our Bluetooth only. So we're not using landline. And then here on the base, you can use the answering machine, but you're not going to be able to use it. So you can just turn it off. Answer off. So you can see, so you could like dismiss those messages, because technically now the answering machine on the base is not being used because we're not using the landline. But it's up to you if you want to leave it on or off. And then it works the same as if I was to call it using this one. So I'm going to give it a call from this number now, and it's going to be the same as if it was just the normal link to cell. So as you can see, it's ringing on my cell phone, and it's also ringing on here. So if I was to answer right here, you can see now I'm on the call over here. So if I put this one on the microphone, hold on, there's echo, sorry. Hello, hello. I put this on mute too really quick when I put this. Let's put this like this. Hello, 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 hello. So as you can see now, it's ringing just with our cell phones. Again, if I was to call someone, it just uses this. As you can see, check telephone line is off. So let's just say if you were to put this back on the telephone line, it's still just going to use the cell line only mode. So you want to turn that off. To turn this off, just go back to menu, Bluetooth, and then you want to click on settings again, and then we're going to click on cell line only mode and turn that to off. And then as you can see, it's going to reset to back how it was originally. So now we can still use our Bluetooth, but now it's going to say check tel line again because we went back to the default settings. So in a few seconds, you'll see that message come back. So you can see, so now again, if we were to call someone, we put 1, it'll be using the regular phone line now. Just one demonstration, if you had it on, when you have it in the cell line only mode, you can still use the phone book. So just click on phone book. And let's just say we're going to call A. If it was on cell line only mode, of course I'm not going to call it using my cell phone. You would just click on speakerphone. And then when you call that number you have saved from the cell phone. But as you can see right now, I'm just using the regular one because I don't want to call just that number. So that is pretty much it. That's how to use cell line only mode on a Panasonic home phone. In this video, I used the model KX-TG7621. But again, cell line only mode is available on all the handsets that have Bluetooth, including the Panasonic KX-TG7621. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or need help setting this up using cell line only mode, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.